International music artist na si Apple the App, gustong makakollab si The Voice USA champion Sofronio Vasquez at Nations girl group na BINI. Matapos ang pakikipag-collab niya sa P-pop group na SB19, ay gusto namang makakollab ng international music artist na si Apple the App si The Voice USA champion Sofronio Vasquez at Nations girl group na BINI. Nagbigay kasi ng speech si Apple matapos siyang parangalan bilang Icon of the Year for Music and Philanthropy sa naganap na 10th Wish Music Awards noong January 19, 2025. Anya, I am just really proud that this is happening in our country. We aren't all about we gotta make it outside the country, right? We are proud of our growing music industry and supporting each other. Sa kanyang speech, na-shoutout niya ang BINI at sinabing gusto raw niyang makakolab ang grupong inilarawan niya bilang world-class.
Nowadays, that's not the case anymore. OPM is blowing up. And congratulations to all the amazing, talented artists in this room today. It's a privilege to be with you guys. And once again,
Sa ulat ng bandera, nabanggit din sa speech ni Apple si Sofronio Vasquez. Ayon sa kanya, balak niya sanang tawagan ito, ngunit naging busy raw siya. Kasunod nito ay kinongratulate niya si Sofronio at sinabing ipagbigay alam lang daw sa kanya if he needs some music. Anya, I have been meaning to call him but I have been busy. Congratulations. If he needs some music, let me know. He is another fellow countryman making it worldwide and making noise for the country. Ang recent collab ni na Apple the App at SB19 ay ang kantang Ready na mayroon ng mahigit 5 million streams sa Spotify at 1.3 million views sa YouTube as of this writing. Magugunitang malaking karangalan ang nakamit ni Sofronio Vasquez para sa Pilipinas matapos maging champion sa The Voice USA. Gumawa rin ng kasaysayan si Sofronio bilang kauna-unahang male Asian at Filipino winner ng naturang global singing competition.